Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. Just to summarize from the previous video to this video, we did uh, we did predict that Bitcoin will be dumping from 40,000 to 36,000 range, but I did not expect it to go below. Close at 33,800, right? So during that update, I was not able to do a YouTube video because we were busy on the dump, but I did make some updates on the BTC dominance chart saying that we have formed a cup and handle, and then most likely we'll be having a bloodbath. You can see it's over here, right? So just to show you guys on that one, let's go 15 minutes. So this was the first cup and handle where we dumped from 43 to 40 range, 43 to 40, 39,000 range, and this was the second cup and handle where we dumped from 43,000 to, from 39,000 to 33,000, right? So far, if you look at the BTC dump chart, so this is the daily resistance, I believe. Yeah, this is the daily resistance. So right now, we have come back below. So So if you look at the MACD is showing us a sell position uh, on the forward chart. Most likely, we will be falling a little bit below to 1140, and then have a small pullback on the BTC DOM. Let's go into 1 hour and see what's up. The Uh, the RSI is below 50, so it's not oversold yet. Most likely, this can fall down further, giving us bullish signs on Bitcoin and altcoins for a short period of time. On the Bollinger Band strategy, we have the yellow line crossing the resistance, so most likely we might have sort of sell signs. I believe this should fall down much further. Let's get down into a smaller time frame, 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we are currently closing to the oversold position on RSI. If you look at the Bollinger Band strategy, we already have a beta candle forming below the LSML line. We have the cross below, and the MACD has been crossed below. Uh, so most likely these things are indicating short-term bullish signs. Okay, so let's also get back into Ethereum Bitcoin. So while we were here, I told you if the panic sell is to happen on Ethereum Bitcoin, people will be selling Ethereum, and then they'll be selling the Bitcoin, which will be converted into US dollar. And then I believe most of them who were at minimum profits or at a minimum just having a small loss would have taken off their positions, and then we had a big bang drop, right? So let's analyze Bitcoin next. uh, okay, so we'll have to draw our new supports. So I think this is a support over here, the range that we are trading at, and then this will be our next support level. Let's go back into 4 hours. Right. So presently we are trading at the present support level, and then we have the next support level between 33,500 to 32,000 range. If you look at the indicators, the MACD has been crossed upwards. The RSI was oversold probably 12, 16 hours ago, and probably on a larger time frame. These are not reversal candles, but if you go into a smaller time frame, you might find it. So let's look for it. Yeah, so you have something close to 3 white soldiers over here. The RSI is at 51. The Bollinger Band strategy most likely will give you the buy signal because of BTC dump falling downwards. So let's go into 30 minutes. Right. So if you look at the 30 minutes chart, The Bollinger Band strategy has already given you the buy signal. Let's change this into Heikinashi. You have the beta candle. You have the cross over here. You have your perfect beta candle over here over the LSMA line. The RSI is above 50, and you have the MACD cross, which most likely will consolidate and then go upwards, right? So probably we're having all shorts. I mean, just to get into this, we're having all kinds of short-term bullish signals, right? So my idea on Bitcoin for now, for the next maybe 4 to 8 hours, would be mostly like we might reach 37,000, and then we might have a mini drop. So let's get apart. So most likely we might reach 37. We might have a mini drop, and then we might consolidate a bit, and then we might reach 38,000, and then we might reach 40,000. So that would be my prediction for now. But then if you keep into, I mean, if you take these facts into consideration, you might know that most of the people are not trying to invest into Bitcoin right now. And then people who previously invested, let's say on the 40,000, 50,000 range, most likely most of them would have sold by now. If there is anyone still holding, they will be holding their coins uh, probably uh, for some time. So I believe whoever wants to sold would have sold it by now. Uh, so I don't think there'll be any more panic sales to be happening. But then most of the institutes have opened their short positions. Uh, there is a Fed meeting on the 26th of January. So depending on the decision of that, this could affect the crypto market more. So let's say that they suddenly gave a bear news saying that you will be taxed on whatever on stocks, then bang, we'll have a drop on crypto. But then I think we have most likely reached our bottom. If anything is to happen, we might try to close below 33,000 range, and then we might bounce back up. However, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, and this is my perspective. So during the next 12 hours, anything could change. Other than this, if there is any major changes, I'll be posting on my Telegram channel. So see me there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.